It's also known as the throat. So if your header was the mouth, this is where you get what I'm saying. Just kick it, let it fall.
Yeah, rip the hoses and everything with. Okay?
Yeah, you're right. That thing is heavier.
It is.
All right, so I mentioned in my last video that the combine was getting inspected. That got done last week, and the mechanic Brian is going to come back and we're going to work on this thing today. The big thing is going to be this feeder house floor. As I pointed out last time, this is cracking open. It's just getting real thin on the bottom. Combines, I mean, it happens. It's getting some hours on it. Other than that, we've got a few pulleys and sprockets and bearings to change. The other big job we're going to have to do is there's bearings. I don't know if you can see that big pulley right there. That runs the, what do you call it? Tailings accelerator. Some people call it the discharge beater. I can show you what that does here. Come on, focus. Focus. Come on. Where's my light switch? Oh, my key's got to be on. Oh, there it is. That doesn't help. Anyways, there's a big drum in there with some fingers on it, and it spins, and it basically takes the tailings and speeds them up a little bit before they get dumped into the chopper. That way it makes the chopper's job easier and it doesn't slug as easy. So those bearings have to be replaced. I don't know how big of a job that is. Thankfully, he's going to be out here to help us. That's really all I know. I glanced at the list really quick. Oh, we have to get our wheat inserts. These get inserted into the rotor to keep the crop in the rotor a little longer. That way you don't have as much loss. And there's some bracketry that we got to install on this. Whenever he gets here, we're going to start on that. So I just talked to Brian. He's on his way. One thing I can start on that I know we need to do, he said we need to take these bushings out of the concaves and drop them down to the bottom so these get squeezed up tighter. I guess that's the way you need to run them for wheat. It's been a while since we've ran wheat. We actually haven't ever run any wheat with this combine. Last time we had the 9650, and we're just a little rusty. We kind of have to relearn. We only grow wheat, it seems like, every 5 years or so, and then it's always a learning curve. So I'm gonna work on that. Let's see, how can I do this? Pop this one out. Hold it up. I guess. Be able to get the bolts out. If I pop one bushing out and just put the bolt in and hold it, I can move the bushing on the other one, and vice versa. If I can get these bolts out. They just left. Brian said he just left, so. It's a little bit of a process, but if I pop one bushing off, put the bolt back in like I did, I can maneuver them around and get them back in. So now I'll just tighten them back up, and we should be good. Got that job done. I don't think there's much more that I can tear into by the time he gets here, so I think I'm just gonna wait. He should be here pretty quick. Hope he doesn't mind being on camera. I guess I should have asked him. Oh well. So I guess I could talk about this a little bit more before he gets here. So this is what's called the feeder house. It's also known as the throat. So if your header was the mouth, this is where you get what I'm saying. So This drum has these chains with these slats on there, and it rotates this way and it pulls the crop underneath. So pretty much all the time that it's running, it's dragging material across this bottom floor. So it's gonna wear out. It's just a matter of time before it wears holes in it. I'm gonna assume this one's original. I forget how many hours are on this thing, but it's time to replace it. I don't really know how big of a job it's gonna be. It looks like under here, it's just a bunch of bolts and then it drops down. But I'm pretty sure you gotta take this front part apart or something. So that's why we called in the expert. He knows what he's doing. I'm just gonna be here to help with the heavy lifting. Now's the part where I start tearing into stuff that I probably don't need to, and when Brian shows up, he's gonna be like, what'd you do that for? But I can't help it because I hate sitting around doing nothing. So I took this pulley off. This is where those bearings that we have to replace, they're behind here. I assume that big pulley needs to come off. It looks like there's a nut here, and then this hub will come off, and then the bearing is behind it with the lock collar and all that stuff. So I'm just trying to get things kind of in order so it doesn't take so long and we don't get charged so much labor. And that nut is a lot bigger than it looks. I don't have a socket that'll fit on my 1/2" drive impact. I have one, but I don't really want to use the inch impact on this. It seems a little bit overkill, so we're just gonna wait till he gets here. I'm sure he's got all the tools we need. Hope you don't mind being on camera. Too early for the big hammer. So what we're doing here is we're trying to drop this bottom cast piece out so we can get to these top bolts to get this plate off. But the problem we're having is this cable, I think, is holding us up right here. So we're not really sure exactly what to do. He said he's never done one on a 70 series, the 60 series, and the 50 series just drop down. And he's doing something on the computer. I guess we'll figure it out when he gets back. Theory. Good. Get warm today.
Yeah, it's gonna. Oh well, it's somewhere here.
Yep. Corn needs the heat.
What's that?
Corn needs the heat.
I need some rain.
Yeah, we're getting there. Slide out of here.
You want a strap?
Yeah.
That pin's gotta come out. But it goes forward. No, it can't go forward. I don't know. It ain't hurt nothing.
I don't think you can eat it.
What's that?
That's a different piece.
Well, the old ones you can pull them back through.
Your truck's a little nicer than mine.
You probably got less miles.
199.
No, you don't. go. How many cows he got now?
He's down to like 10. He's basically just got enough for freezer beef for a few people. And
I'm sure somebody can sell him some beef if he wants.
yep. So that, you gotta pull a pin?
No, 2 bolts on each.
Oh, okay, and then it's...
I got both pieces because sometimes you can't get them apart. Is that helping, hurting?
It's hurting. Just leave it down. I think I got it.
What's that good?
This one...
Up?
Hold it up, yeah.
I can get more if you need it.
That's fine. Okay, now go back down.
Okay, ready?
Yep. I lost my good pliers. I got these cute little guys.
Here, you want these? You don't want to do that. They're expensive. Oh, you paid for it somewhere.
Well, Mom nominated me for the Farmer of the Week, and it was one of the prizes.
Oh, I gotcha. Are you ready?
Yeah, just see if you can get your side out first, and then... There we go.
Which way you want to go?
I got it. That's it?
Oh, it'll hold it. I had another one.
Okay.
Are you there?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Can you get to an impact now?
Yeah, I should be able to get this one.
How are you? Feel warm? Yeah, they would be fine.
You're gonna have a broth because I just got home and I ain't got time to cook a lot.
Hey, it'll work. That'll work fine.
Is that okay with you, Wesley?
Yeah.
2 of them you're gonna have to get from the inside, and or all of them we get from the inside. I don't care. I'll just get a wrench.
I can get all of them. Yeah.
You want the straight side or you want that swivel side?
Yeah, give me that straight one.
Wherever. Start wherever.
Oh, I guess I can't get it. Well, I'm gonna have to use this. Start over here.
Okay. Alright, we gotta. We'll figure that one out. Forward or back?
This guy.
Whoops. Alright, hit it.
There's an extra one. This. Oh.
Is there one right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, man. It might jump you a little bit, but I don't think it did.
How heavy does it feel? Yeah, that feels heavy.
It's heavy.
I was gonna say if you got a floor jack and a 2x4 just to hold it and then slowly let it down. But I don't have a floor jack here. Yeah, I guess we use a bottle jack, but we got all the bolts out. Now this floor should come down. You can see one of the holes right there.
I can't get my crane under there.
No.
You golden?
Yep. I'm wondering if you just go on that side and I go on this side and we just kind of drop it down. Hopefully it doesn't.
Do you want me to put a jack stand in there just in case?
Well, I guess. I don't know.
I mean, I don't know if it can go that
I mean, the only thing would be if it falls out of there, but it's not going to hit the ground because it'll hit this.
so. Alright, I'm letting off.
Okay. You're catching on a carriage bolt on your side.
I was afraid of that. Can I clamp it again?
Yeah, or stick a bolt to the side or something.
My clamp's closer. I was afraid of that. I only need to take that one out, don't I, right here?
Yep.
Alright. Ready?
Oh yeah, she's in bad shape.
Oh, I knew it was. I don't know, Weston. I don't know.
Just kick it. Let it fall.
Yeah, rip the hoses and everything with it. That's what scares me.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yep.
You want to come my way?
Let me stand up. Yeah. Go your way.
Whatever you gotta do, I don't care. Here, I'll balance it. Go ahead.
You got it.
I got her.
Let me go on that side. I guess I can get under here. Okay, pick her up.
Go ahead, sit her down. It's fine.
Okay. Concrete's hard.
Yes, yes. I don't know if you want to pick it up by yourself. Is there another plate in there? I didn't get that one.
Well, we got the floor out. Now you can kind of see this chain a little bit better and what actually happens. These bars drag the crop into the combine. There's one plate that he wasn't aware that we needed. He's looking it up to see if they got it somewhere close. Might have to run and go get it. That was a job. Clean enough for you?
Yeah, I think so. I'm content.
Guess I could have done this back here, but it's not too bad.
Where did that shoe?
I got it under here.
Oh, you already got it?
I got it laying across the cylinders.
Okay.
Slide it in.
I didn't know if I needed to hold the chain up or not.
There it is.
Sweet.
Now we got to figure out where all our bolts are.
What?
Those are side bolts.
Yeah.
Of course, we got to get the floor in before we put anything in.
How about putting that front plate in and just putting the bolt in loose?
Right?
And then we'll chuck that front plate in. The rear plate.
Yeah, that goes under.
How many combines you had in your career? 6?
3,
3?
myself.
Oh, okay.
You had a 1660, didn't you?
Oh, wait a minute, wait. This one.
Man, don't give me them kind of bad things.
I've had 3 dealers
I know you've had 3 deers.
and 2 regular,
Huh?
2 1460s and 3 dealers. Had 5,
I thought you had a 1660.
yeah,
You had 1460 and then a 1660.
yeah. 2 regular and 3 deer ones.
Did you eat your Wheaties? Damn, remember me and him got to do it? No. Same way?
Yeah, probably.
This one feels heavier.
It's like it's thicker or something.
It looks like it's got 2 layers on the floor.
Whoa, that's a lot of weight.
Got it
Yeah, I think so.
underneath here.
You okay?
Yeah, you're right. That thing is heavier.
It is.
All right.
Balance.
Balance it. Yep.
I got it.
Otherwise, I'm gonna be stuck in here. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Are we on both cylinders or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're more on yours than mine, but
All right. Let me find my.
do we want to get like a couple punches to shove through once we get it up to a hole, or what do you think?
I don't know, or I'll just take that clamp and try to clamp it.
Oh yeah, we got a lip to sit on. That's right.
I don't know. I don't really have a good scenario. know what to do. I mean, the only thing I can do is walk to the lip and then try to like put that clamp on the back side.
Just try to slide it forward.
I don't know, what are we caught on?
I think we're a little bit twisted.
Twisted?
Slide your side back a little.
Okay.
There we go.
Am I too far ahead of you?
Maybe. Okay, I think we need to go up now.
Yeah, and I don't know how to do it.
Can we?
Can you? Or I go on the back and you go on the front?
Yeah.
Whatever, I can shove up. I don't care. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, you go on the back. Yes. Slide it back towards you a little. There, push up.
Easier said than done.
We're in the lip.
We're in the lip?
Yep. I don't know if we're far in the lip, but we're in the lip. We're close. This hole's about one hole off, but it's close.
I'm gonna tie it forward and then see if we can.
See if we can slide it up.
Yeah. I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on it, but I'm gonna put some. See if both of us can pick up on the pressure. You okay?
Yeah. We're fighting that strap now.
So I need to take the strap off.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't lose it.
Can we get any of them? Well, both probably not long enough.
Well, I was debating on taking a strap, putting it over the feeder house and cranking it up, but
Yeah.
I'll have to reposition it about 5 times. I don't know, let's see if it'll fall.
It won't go far if it does.
Alright, hold on. Here we go. Hold on.
It's not in the lip anymore, so be careful.
I know. Okay, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna fall on my side.
Can you push it up there or not?
Nope. Now we gotta go forward. Too far?
Yeah, but hold on. Damn. No, I can't.
Huh.
Yeah, we popped it up too far.
Back where we started.
I just want to push a little bit.
I think it'll go pretty easy now.
If I get my punch hook in the hole. Yeah. I need more. Here. I wonder if I can pull it.
Maybe. It's about where it needs to be right there.
You ready?
Yep. There we go.
We close?
We're close. You gotta go about another inch. Clamp jumped on this side, so it shouldn't be holding us. Are we close enough to get? No, we can't get both in it yet.
I'm getting real close. Give me a second.
I'm gonna take this off. Just fight this.
I got a bolt in.
Might be able to get one on this side.
Louise?
I think I can. Try the wiggle. There. I guess that's it. Well, that wasn't bad.
Ask me tomorrow morning.
Can get that guy.
Fold it in.
Yep.
You got, hey, can you switch them 2 bolts?
Yeah.
That one looks longer. I don't know if it is or not.
There's a couple nuts.
I got 2 in my hand.
This one, the next one back's gonna be trouble.
See that? I'm wondering, are there different lengths? Not really.
Here's that. Need this bigger punch, maybe? You can probably get the back one now.
You got another one? I already got one in my pocket. Go ahead.
There you go. Probably gonna have to do something to that.
Well, I wonder if we like try to line it up. You take your punch in there and tighten the back bolt up.
Right, okay.
Why don't we start? Do you have
Yeah, that was close to my face.
I don't know what else to try to do.
I can hold it if you got something to tighten with.
Yeah, let me get it done. Ready?
Okay.
You got one?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Is there another one forward or not?
Yeah, one more.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, hopefully you can see now that we got the door shut, but Brian just took off. We got this floor back up in here. We still got a couple more pieces to put back together in the back. This cooler, rock trap door, some of that stuff. We also got our discharge beater bearings changed while we were waiting for Graham to pick up parts. Can't remember if I explained it or not, but there's 3 or 4 pieces to this floor and we were missing one. We didn't realize it. So we got all our pieces, got our floor done. That was the big job. I mean, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I'm not gonna say I could have done it by myself, but I definitely would have had to been a little more creative. But Brian had to go pick up his son from daycare and I gotta go pick up my son from daycare. So we're gonna finish this project in the morning. You guys got the gist of what we're doing. So there it is. That's how you put a new floor in a feeder house on a 70 series combine. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.